Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is Friday, which is Free Cash Friday, and today we will be stuffing $5 into our pet binder, which is this binder here. Oh. This is our dashboard we made, Fresh Start 2026, with the pets on it, so cute. Okay, so it looks like we currently should have about $23 in each of these envelopes, and since today is Free Cash Friday, they all will get $5. So let's go and add 5 here, which will give us 28. And our Chi Boy. And then we have Shy. And we have our Tinkerboo. And then we have our Theo Boy. So for Free Cash Friday, we have 4 pets and they each got $5. So we currently stuffed $20 for today. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.